During class today, you'll be completing the assignment called World Geography Interactive. Once on your social studies page, go ahead and click on World Geography Interactive folder, and then you'll see a list of assignments that you have to complete. Yours will be grayed out except for the very first one that will be blue. You can only do one after the other. Once you do this one, it will unlock the other, the next task until you're totally finished. You'll get a check mark and say that you have completed that assignment. So the first one you're going to watch is a Continents and Oceans song. It's a parody, which is a funny video, funny song about continents and oceans, and it's set to LMFAO song. You might recognize it. After you watch that, you then go to World Geography in 6 minutes and watch a video, and that takes you around the world. It shows you the 7 continents and some of the major cities on each continent. After that one, you'll go to the Continents game. You click on Continents game, and then you click on the link. It will take you to this game. Click the map to start. It will tell you, where is Antarctica. So you have to choose the continent, click it, and it will tell you if you're right or wrong. Play that several times until you get really good at it, where you can get all 7 correct consecutively with no errors. After you play the continents game, go ahead and click on the oceans game, and that's the same type of game, except it will be the oceans. And again, practice this game several times until you know them very well, because you're going to take quizzes coming up. Then you come and take the continents quiz. Click on the continents quiz. You won't get this. You'll get a screen that looks like this. Start new attempt. Click on that, and then it'll show you a map, and the map is numbered. Okay, the numbers are over here. These are just the numbers of the questions, but over here, the numbers that correspond on the map. So number 1, whatever you think number 1 is, you're going to choose over here. So let's say I think 1 is Africa, which it's not, but I click in the box and I type the letter for Africa, which is F, and it will connect what continent with that number. Go to number 2, and if I think number 2, let's say, is Australia, I would go and choose E. And again, it'll connect Australia with the number I think it is on the map. Do that for all 7. Click Review Answers, and then click Submit. Once you submit, it will then give you a grade in the upper right-hand corner. It will tell you what your grade was. It will show you the correct answers on the page. And if you get 100, you'll move on. If you do not get 100, you should retake it. You get 2 chances to take it. The second time, it will average the 2 grades you get together. So if you get an 80 on the first one and 100 on the second one, your score would be a 90. After you submit that one, you would then go to the oceans quiz. Same thing. It will show you a map, corresponding numbers with the oceans. Once you're finished with all of these, you'll have a check mark in each, and then you can move on to the next assignment. If you have any questions, make sure you ask during the day. If the guest teacher cannot answer any of your questions, you can send me a message on Schoology, a private message, and I could probably get back to you while I'm on the field trip. Have a good day.